Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to repurpose long videos into Reels 2026, a complete workthrough. Alright guys, today I'll show you how to actually turn your long form YouTube videos into viral Reels, Shorts and TikToks in 2026, fast, automatic and with zero editing skills. So let's get started. Your first step is actually uploading the content you have created. So you may have some of your content stored locally on your device, which would help, but sometimes they are not available on your device and you want to take them off of your accounts on other social media platforms like YouTube. Now, what you can do here is you can use repurpose.io or video.ai. Both are perfect for auto-generating short clips. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening up repurpose.io. So when you click on repurpose, you're taken to this platform over here where you can simply find save time and simplify content sharing, start automating for free. So they basically help automating videos for you. As you can see here, we have a short video of the same clip being played simultaneously across four apps. You can see here across four different apps. Now, if you scroll down, thousands of business owners and content creators love Repurpose.ai. If you scroll a bit more, they are official partners with YouTube and TikTok. And then trusted integration partners. So we have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Snapchat, as well as some other applications. So you can do a lot of things like connect your social media platforms, create automated workflows, resize. So let Repurpose automatically resize and optimize your videos to fit each platform perfectly. There's that. And then if you were to simply scroll down, you'd find the option to remove a watermark. So automatically remove platform watermarks so you can your content looks native and polished everywhere. And then never lose your content. Securely back up your videos to a Drive or Dropbox. And then schedule or publish automatically. So yeah, you can actually schedule your posts. So let's say you make a video on YouTube and you would like the video across Pinterest, X, Facebook, and Instagram. Yeah, there is how you can make use of the connection because you can get all four or five accounts connected, and then the video will then be displayed at either the same time on these platforms or at different times. All right, so if you scroll a bit more, you can see simple pricing to grow your social media platforms. So these are their pricing. We have $97, 0.97, that's 97 cents a day, and 349 a year, 790 a year, and 1,790. Now, you can connect up to three accounts for social networking. That's Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So, three different Instagram accounts, three different TikToks, three different YouTubes, and up to 5,000 published videos a month. And for $2 a day, you're getting unlimited published videos per month. And with 497 up to 25 accounts. So, that is amazing. All right, so let's actually get started. Repurpose.io is quite powerful if you know how to use it. Now, let's just go ahead and click on Start Free Trial. So click on this option and let's see what it brings up for us. It's basically going to take you to the sign up page. So you can continue with Google, continue with your email, which is what I'm going to be doing. So I'll see you once the email has been entered and we proceed. All right, guys. So, once you've logged in with your email, you would have to authenticate your account and do some other things, but it's quite easy. So, it says here, would you like to start a free 14-day trial or a 90-day YouTube plan? You could join their YouTube plan, basically repurpose content from TikTok and Instagram to YouTube. Then the standard is just standard trial, 10 posts, 14 a day, 15 plus platforms. We could get back to that. Now, once you're on the create your first workflow, we have the repurpose future content, repurpose existing content, create clips from long content, and then back up all my content. So basically, what we're after is creating clips from long form content. Basically, you can create clips from long form content, transfer long form content into shareable highlights. This is actually quite amazing. So we have the source and then we have the destination. The source is basically where you're going to be getting your long form content from. Are you going to be getting it from Dropbox, Twitch, HeyGen, Zoom, WebEx, or TikTok? Now, and then we also have the destination where they will be heading to. Unfortunately, I am not seeing the option to get it from YouTube, probably because we are on the free plan. So you would have to pay for a paid option, but the option to select YouTube is not available. So let's just say your long form content for some reason is on Facebook. So if you were to click on Facebook, you're gonna have to authenticate and log into your Facebook account. So please have that in mind. You're gonna need to log into your Facebook. So let's head back and select something as simple as TikTok, and then the destination could be something as simple as YouTube. So if you click on TikTok, it's gonna be the same authentication. You're going to have to enter your password or passcode and simply log in. All right, so while it's loading in, let's explore some of the sites. Select an existing TikTok account to continue, and we have the option to add a new TikTok account. So Repurpose wants to access your account. So click on continue. In your case, you're going to have to log in. I have already logged in, so it's just going to be a simple continue for me. What you need to do is just click on switch account, and then you will log into another account with your email and password. So let's click on continue from here. So on this menu, once you selected it and you've logged in from the source, the destination could be any of these platforms like TikTok or Instagram or YouTube. So let's say you're moving it over to YouTube. You're going to be asked to log into your YouTube account. You need to sign in, just simply sign into your YouTube account. All right, guys. So after selecting a Google account to proceed with, we'll just select what Repurpose can access on your Google account that leads to your YouTube account. So every YouTube account is built around a Google account. So just click on continue after you have selected the account you want to work with. It's basically going to look like this. You have your YouTube account here and then the video type. So you could have it move from your TikTok account over to your YouTube. Now, here's what we can do. So once you have entered your TikTok account with the videos you have on your TikTok, you just have to select the video type and then the playlist, and then simply click on create workflow. So this workflow repurposes video clips from TikTok to YouTube, and it's based off of create clips from long form content. So that's what we're doing right now. And let's see what it can do for us. Let's see what the artificial intelligence can get done. All right, so basically this is what the automation process looks like, or what the repurposing of your longer clips into shorter clips looks like. So we have YouTube Short Select supports videos up to 3 minutes, view important details. Here you can read some of the important details of what can be done and what can't. And now where we have, you can basically see your clip. You can basically see the clip here, and then you can create clips from your clips on TikTok. So all these clips here, you can have from your newest clip to your oldest. You can check for durations, all content, and then you can set it to auto publish. And now all you need to do here is just click on create clips for this one. And the maximum video length of a YouTube short is 3 minutes. So it's going to edit out some of the issues you're having on here. So we have 21 minutes. So you can now just resize it, drag it a bit, make it at least 10 seconds. So once you have done that, once you're satisfied with your work, just go ahead and click on play clip, and then just go ahead and click on save. And it's just going to go like that. And then where we have the three dotted icons, you can edit or delete them as the case may be. And then when you click on schedule, you can now schedule them to be posted. That's basically what you can do. You can include the title, the description, the YouTube tags, and then click on publish now, which will then automatically send it to your YouTube account, or click on schedule to set a date to send. All right, guys, that's how you can basically customize your or repurpose your long form content. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.